Hi students, welcome to the another class of social science. In previous class from the Bengaluru division I have completed 2 points. Those are agriculture and growth of industries, art, literature, folklore, theatre and dance. These points I have completed. So let's start with the next point, that is education and health of Bengaluru division. Bengaluru division achieved immensely in the field of education. The highest civilian award of India, that is Bharata Ratna award. This award is received by 2 recipients from the Bengaluru division. They are Sir M. Vishveshwaraya and CNR Rao. Sir M. Vishveshwaraya received Bharata Ratna award for his achievements in the field of engineering and education, and CNR Rao received this award, this Bharata Ratna award, because of his achievements in the field of science. Another notable personality from Bengaluru division, that is Sir C.V. Raman. Sir C.V. Raman received Nobel Prize for his research in the field of science. He was a physicist, it means Bhauta Shastrajna. These are the major persons who received Bharata Ratna award and Nobel Prize. Bengaluru division is an important center for education. There are many public and private universities are there. Main universities we can see in the Shivamogga, Bengaluru, Tumkuru and Davanagere. Along with this, there is an agriculture university in Bengaluru. Now, Bengaluru has major primary education and more importance for primary education since from the pre-independence period. Not only these education centers, along with these many religious centers also providing education for children in Bengaluru division. Among them very famous religious institution, that is Siddhaganga Mata. It is under the leadership of Siddhalinga Swamiji. In the Siddhaganga Mata there are thousands of children getting the education along with the food. Before it was running under the leadership of Sri Shivakumara Swamiji. Sri Shivakumara Swamiji passed away on January 21st, 2019. After him, that leadership continued by Siddhalinga Swamiji. Another very important religious institution, that is Adi Chunchanagiri Mata. It is running under the leadership of Balagangadharanatha Swamiji. Other religious centers are Murugarajendra Mata and Sirigeri Taralabalu Mata. These also providing education for children. Along with this, in Bengaluru division there are many scientific and research laboratories are there, and many medical colleges, engineering colleges also providing education. So this is about the education of Bengaluru division. Next, about the health of Bengaluru division. This division achieved considerable progress in the field of health. It has contained contagious diseases like infant death, smallpox, polio. These all have been completely eradicated. One more disease is there, that is monkey disease. Only we can see in the forest regions. This also eradicated in the Bengaluru division. Especially this monkey disease we can see in the Shivamogga because it covered with the dense forest. To improve the health among the people, government has established many health centers, especially in the rural areas. Rural health centers and primary health centers also established. These all providing the medicine for people, and in the district level, district health centers, well equipped health centers are there in the district level, and in the taluk health centers also providing health for or health facilities for people. And along with this, government has established primary health centers which are working 24/7. It means day and night these health centers are providing health facilities for people. So this is about the health of the Bengaluru division. Let's discuss with another point from Bengaluru division, that is cultural resource. Bengaluru division is very rich culture. It is rich with the forest, wild animals, waterfalls, rivers, tourist places, religious centers, still many other things we can see in the Bengaluru. Many people contributed their effort in the progress of our state. They are from Bengaluru division. The chief architect of Karnataka integration movement, Kengal Hanumantayya, is from Bengaluru division. During his period, means he was a second chief minister of our state. During his period, the famous building, that is Vidhana Saudha building, was built when Kengal Hanumantayya was chief minister. Another great personality of this division is S. Nijalingappa. He also undertook many improvement programs in the development of our state. He was also one of the important person in Karnataka integration movement. Another personality of this division is Shantaveri Gopala Gowda. He laid foundation for socialist movement in Karnataka. Another famous lady, that is Salumarada Timmakka, is also from this division. She is a role model for environment protection. One more person, Anil Kumble, who contributed immensely in the field of cricket. So this is about the culture resources of Bengaluru division. One more topic from Bengaluru division, that is freedom fighters. Many freedom fighters had participated in the freedom struggle of our nation. K.C. Reddy, the first chief minister of Mysuru state, second chief minister Kengal Hanumantayya, another chief minister S. Nijalingappa. Along with this, Shantaveri Gopala Gowda, who laid foundation for socialist movement, and Tita Sharma, Bhagirathamma and Kadidal Manjappa. These persons participated in the freedom struggle of our nation. Still many others have participated, among them the major and important personalities I told you. The chief architects of Karnataka integration movement are Kengal Hanumantayya and S. Nijalingappa. So this is about the freedom fighters of Bengaluru division. So in this session I have completed 3 topics from Bengaluru division. So one more topic is there from Bengaluru division that I am going to take in the another class. So thank you so much.